Students, sorry this is a little late. I tried to get these help videos to you sooner. I've just been a little bit busy. Okay, let's talk about it. What is the area of this parallelogram? However, we do go over these in class. I do always try to give you quiz examples, exactly what you're going to see, because that gets right to the heart of, can I solve this? Does it make sense how we solve it, why we solve it this way? And we can kind of play and ask questions. Right here, they want you to find the area of the parallelogram. You can use your notes. The area of a parallelogram is base times height. You can still use your notes. How do we find the height? How do we find the base? Well, the height is that perpendicular. It lets us know. We look for those right angles, and then it has to be the base is where it's going to hit. In this case, either one is going to work, but the height is definitely 7. So I know I'm going to do 7 times something. Now, 7 times what? 7 times 8 equals 56. Well, that's on there. Scroll down. There we go. But that's not the right answer. All right. 7 times 4, 28. Well, that's on there, but that's still not the right answer. What if we do 7 times 4 times 8? That's not on there. All right, that's not even an option. How'd they get 84? Now, if you remember, we have to do the whole base. They're telling you that from D to F or from E to B, it's 8. And then from F to C is 4, or from, what is that, A to E, it's 4. So this whole base, okay, well, this whole base is 4 plus 8. So base times height, then we would do 7 times 12. Voila, 84 square meters is the area of that parallelogram. Same idea for all of these, right? Same idea. So right here, 9 plus 5 isn't 15. Anyway, if you were in class, in one of my classes, I did that. Anyway, 9 plus 5, you can always still use your calculator, just in case your mental math isn't working, is 14. And we did that again because we need to find the base. 9 plus 5 is 14 times 8. 112, let's see, 112 square meters. Same idea over here, 8 times 11, don't need a calculator, that's 88. 4 plus 7 is 11 times the height, which is 8. All right, great job. Let's take a look at this one. What's the area of this one? Height is 12. See this perpendicular? 12 times 11. Calculator, awesome. I will take it. Sometimes our mental math, sometimes it's quicker. Boom, 132 centimeters squared. Well done. Again, see how this whole base, we need this whole base. They're just breaking it up into segments, and they just are trying to check fluency. Does it make sense why we need this whole length? Sometimes you're adding, sometimes you might be subtracting. In this case, it's been consistently adding. Again, what is the area of this parallelogram? This whole base. See, just this base is 1.9 plus 3.2. Hey, we did this today. Yeah, okay. So 1 and 9/10, just in case, 1 and 9/10 plus 3 and 10/10, 2/10 equals 5 and 1/10 times the height, which is 2 and 8/10 of a foot, 14 and 28/100 square feet. That's the desk for his shop. He makes this parallelogram. I thought it was a desk. No, it's a shop. Okay. Here we go. Question variation. Aha! Do we need to do 5 plus 2? I don't think so, but I just want to check it with you guys. See, D to C is going to be the same length as A to B, and that makes sense because that's how we define a parallelogram. Well, do they have to be the same length? Yeah, because otherwise these sides wouldn't be parallel. Anyway, great question. So this is D to C is the same as the total length from A to B. The segment E to B is going to be 3, but that doesn't help us. I'm just sharing that with you. So 4 times 5 is 20 square feet. Pretty cool, don't you think? Pretty cool. All right, last question, 20 seconds. And then we completed this quiz together. Ta-da, let's take a look. So 1 and 4/10 plus 3 and 5/10 is going to be 4 and 9/10 times 3, 5 seconds and a half, 17. Yes,